Hi everyone, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab. Today we are going to see that how we can set up different routers in Pabbly Connect based on different Stripe links used by customers. So there are many use cases where people need to deliver different emails or messages or products, or maybe they need to enroll the students in different courses based on the Stripe link used by customer to make a payment. I am going to do this using test mode in the Stripe, right? But you can implement the same thing in a live mode as well. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. First we will go to Stripe. You can see here that I have created two product payment links. One is test product 1 and the payment link is for 1 rupee. Second one is test product 2 and the payment link value is 2 rupees, right? So now we have both of these available. Next thing you need to do is you need to go to this developer section, go to webhooks, then you need to create another endpoint. So I am just going to add this here. So let's go to Pabbly Connect, and as you can see I have already created one workflow here. I will just copy my webhook URL, right? I will just paste it here and I will add a description that router for different payment links, right? And let's select the event. So we can search here the event checkout dot session dot completed. That is the one which we want to use, right? So click on add event, add endpoint, and now your webhook is ready to trigger. It is waiting for events currently, right? So what we will do here is that we will go back to payments, go to payment links again, and we will copy one of the link, for example the 1 rupee link, right? And we can just a second go to new tab, paste it, and now it will ask us for the payment information, right? So I can just enter my regular details here. And regarding the card details, so Stripe has a special testing cards as well, so I am just going to copy that one from here, and let's go here. I will paste it here, 0523 555. It doesn't matter what future date you add, the only requirement is it should be in future, right? And the number is also anything. So let's click on pay. You can see that it is showing us message that thanks for the payment. So if we go to Pabbly Connect now, and if you see that we have captured the response, and in the response you can see that we have captured one object called payment link, p link, right? So and that one is showing us LZC, right? So it is a pretty straightforward if you use checkout.session.completed event, right? If you use any other event, then you need to add one more step called Stripe and event retrieve an event step, right? But as we have used the checkout.session.completed, we don't need to use that step, and we can directly set up the routers here. So let's suppose we are going to do here router. Now how can you know that which link is this? So for example, how can you get other links ID like this, right? If we see here that the link which is available in Stripe, if we copy that and go to new tab and paste it here, you can see the ending is quite different from what we have captured in here, right? So how can we get the ID? So basically you need to click on that link and then you need to check the URL. So this is the ID of the link actual. Okay, so you need to copy that ID from here, or in this case let's copy it from here, so the process will be universal. So let's rename the router that this is one or test product 1 link of 1 rupee, right? And then click on set filter and action. Then we are going to p link, right, this one, equal to, if it is equal to this, then it should execute this router, right? And what will be the output? So for example purpose only, I will use text formatter, and I will show you it in the history, because I want you to learn more about how to check the history and everything, right? So I will just use text basic formatting. Let's pick up the string. Let's see what are the details we have. So yeah, let's use the p link here as well, right? And we can just click on capitalize. Yeah, so it will just capitalize the p. We can close this. Now we can just clone this router, and we can delete the extra router at the bottom for now, and I will change it to 2 rupee, right? Update it. Now in order to get the ID for 2 rupee link, we need to go to again payment links. We need to click on that 2 rupee link, and we need to copy this. So here we need to change it to this one, and you are good to go. You don't need to change anything else unless you want to send a different action or something like that, right? Let's suppose you want to send them a different WhatsApp message, right? Then you need to change the template as well, based on what you are using, like 360 dialog or WhatsApp cloud API or whatever, right? So let's close this. Now we are ready to test it. Okay, so how will we test it? So we will just go here, copy the 2 rupee payment link, we hit enter. Oh sorry, I did not copied it. Yes, I will hit enter. I will go to test one. I will copy it and I will paste it here again. 0525 6554 Shafagun, and yeah, let's pay. Okay, so it is still processing, and now it is showing thanks for the payment. If we go to history, you can see one execution is done. Now which router has been executed, let's see it in the history. So if you hover over this one, you can see the router name as well, right? So router 2 was executed, router 1 condition was false, right? And if we go here, data out, ending with BRYDOO, right? So ending with this one. Okay, so it is perfectly working fine. Okay, just to complete this video, I will just show you that what we have done. We need to create different links, right? Then we need to go to webhooks. In the developer section, we need to set up the event based on the checkout.session.complete event, right? And then we need to do a test payment or something like that. Okay, and we will capture the response, and then we will set up the different router. So basically you can do different things based on different payment link IDs. Okay, so I hope this video will help you, and let me know if you have any questions, and if you want that I set up this kind of automations for you, feel free to message me on Facebook. I am most active on there. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.